In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background color within your scene. So instead of working with this generic dark gray in your modeling background, you can apply different images that you can then save as part of your scene. The first thing I'm going to do is find and upload an image that I want to use. And you can do that by dragging and dropping into your web browser. And then the next thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to go to your General tab, Explorer, and select Untitled Scene, or whatever scene you've named your scene. Select this topmost icon. And you'll notice that underneath the properties, the first option that we have is Environment. Currently, the environment has an ambient light color of 0 or black for the shadows, intensity of 1. I already have a spotlight within the scene as well, which is lighting the objects. And then we have two other things. We have an image-based environment map, and that will determine the general lighting that you may have and general ambient lighting that you may want to use within the scene. And finally, there's a background option. The style is currently set to default. If I select color, then I can put a very specific color within my scene. So if I wanted a pure white background, I can do that. I'm also going to go ahead and create a view camera. Now, to show you what this looks like, I'm going to go to my share link to preview this. And you'll be able to see that my background is white as well. Going back to my Clara model, I'll just adjust this to another color, and navigating back to my shared link, you'll now see that it's a muted red. If the background color is distracting, you do have the option to deselect that and not see the background color in your viewport. So there are other options that we can do for the background. Instead of selecting a color, we can also select an image. Navigating to the image drop-down menu, I can go ahead and select the image that I downloaded. You'll notice that currently we're not seeing the image in the viewport. And I've just unchecked and rechecked this, and now I have a forest scene. Going to the shared link, you'll notice that this is now also what I see here. The background image is a fixed image, so it never moves in your viewport, no matter how you rotate your object. So that's something to keep in mind as well.